Hi guys, Poundland today. Their ex-Christmas stock is all reduced to 25 pence per item. So that's a quarter of the original pound price. And I've been struggling to think of anything I could do with any of the items. So I've come up with a plan. We're going to make a rubber band powered car with these Christmas baubles for the wheels. So yeah, we'll see. So we've got 4 of them. That's 25p for 2 of them, so 50 pence for the 4. And then for the actual body, I saw this Santa stop sign. Oh, it looks like it might be working. Ah, there we are. Santa stop here. So that'll be the body. I'll put a couple of tubes on it so we can have the axles going through it. I'll have to think about the back end because we need to be able to wrap the rubber band around it. I'll have to cut a slot in there somewhere. So that'll be our rubber band powered car. I'll just show you the other things I bought while we were at it. Snow target. I'm pretty sure what we've got here is some cards with Velcro on them. That's what I think. Let's have a look. Oh, no, they don't even have Velcro on them. How are they going to work? Well, that's even more rubbish than I thought it was. Instructions. Get some friends. Yeah, well, that'll be a problem. Set up the targets at different distances. Yeah. Take turns with your friends, tossing the snowballs at the target. If you hit the target, you get those points. That's rubbish. I thought it was rubbish anyway, but I did at least think they might have put Velcro on the front of these so you could actually get them to stick. Well, that's absolute junk, isn't it? Even at 25 pence, that's junk. Yeah, alright. Well, I think I might actually try doing what I suggested. I might put some Velcro on the front of them and then use those little catapults that I've got to see if we can actually shoot them there and see if they'll stick on. And then the other thing I got, magnetic letters. I mean, they're going to be junk, but I thought 25 pence, they might be handy for doing something with. Can't even get them open. It says 200 pieces. I can't even get them out. There we go. Oh, they're tiny, aren't they? I was thinking I might be able to use them to make a sign that says Grandad is an old man. They're a bit small. Is that open? They're only just magnetic. They're pretty weak. God, dear me. Well, at 25 pence I'd say they were rubbish. Even on my metal notice board I don't think they're going to stick very well. So, yeah, I wouldn't even bother spending 25 pence on them if I was you. but I will still go and make a rubber band powered car. I'll just say it gets even worse. I've just tried getting some of these letters out and they're not cut well enough. The actual lettering was peeling off the backing. A. N. Come on, is my eyesight that bad? I can't see an N. N. There we are. Grandad is an old man.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.